We are pleased to show you the 2008 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, center armrest, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.